Everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you're coming across my channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please consider subscribing, like my video, comment and share. Okay, and to you all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. Thank you for supporting me. So guys, we hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much guys. Thank you. I do not take your love for granted. So guys, today I'll be showing you how I made these delicious oilless beans. I didn't use any oil to prepare these beans, and the beans came out so well. So if this is what you're interested in, then keep on watching. Let me introduce my ingredients for this recipe. So these are the list of things I'll be using to prepare my beans. I have here my beans. I have my beans here. I have my crayfish. I have my diced pomo, washed and diced. I have my scotch bonnet pepper. I have my tatashi and my shombo. That's long chili pepper. I have my dried fish, and I also have my pumpkin leaf. That's my ugu leaf. I'll be adding plantain to this. This is the plantain I remained. I wanted to do roasted plantain, but I didn't use everything, so this is the remaining one. I'll be adding it to my beans. I have my seasoning cube. I have my salt. I'll also be adding ginger and garlic to the pepper when I'm blending it. So guys, let's get started. I will first parboil my beans, and I already have my water in the pot. The water is boiling. I will add in my beans, allow it to boil for a few minutes, then I will sieve out the water, rinse the beans and start cooking our beans. So now we'll start cooking our beans. I've already added a fresh water. I will bring this water to a boil, and then I will add in our beans. I added enough water to cook the beans because I don't like strong beans. I love really soft beans. I want my beans to be soft. If not, I will end up with heartburn. So I'm going to add onions to it. These onions will help you to cook faster. I'll add these onions, stir and cover. I'll allow the beans to cook. So guys, we're checking the beans now. The beans is soft, and now I'll be adding in the rest of the things. I'll go in with my dried fish. I'll add in my pomo now. This pomo is already pre-cooked, so it's not strong. I'll go in with the plantain. I will add in my blended pepper. That's my pepper mixture. I'm going to stir this. I'll be going in with my sauce. I'll add in my seasoning cube. I'm going to stir this. I'm going to cover the pot and allow this to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes on medium to low heat. I'll be going in with my crayfish now, and I'm going to stir, allow to cook for about 2 to 3 more minutes, and then our beans is ready. I'll be going in with my vegetable now, my pumpkin leaf. So I'm just going to add this in, stir and turn off the heat because you don't want to overcook your vegetable. Okay, I still want it looking fresh by the time I want to eat my beans. So I'm going to stir this, and that's it guys, our beans is ready. Let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed watching this video, and let me know if you'll be trying out this recipe. It's actually my first time trying out this oilless beans, and believe me guys, it came out so well, so yummy, like very delicious. So guys, that is it. Look at what our beans is looking like, very yummy, delicious. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, okay, and do not forget to leave a very sweet comment for me in the comment section. Let me know if you'll be trying out this recipe, okay. Thank you so much guys for watching, and until I come your way next time, bye.